Well, peoples, Dad's across the road fishing. Kicked me out of bed. It's broad daylight. Yeah, see if he's caught anything. See if I can catch one too, eh? It's perfect and calm. Alright. She's glassy. Where is the old boy? There he is. Oh, like he's got a rod all rigged up for me already. Nothing from there. What's he got down there? Nope, two duck. Okay, let's give it a go. Get it going. So we've walked all the way from over there around the beach. We're thinking we're going to head out to the point because it's low tide at the moment, like tide's on the turn. But we did come out here at sunup. I just hooked onto a big manta ray, but the drag was set wrong on the rod and she just snapped off, but put up a bit of a fight. Let's continue on and see how our day ends. What do you reckon, Dad? To the point? We're still hiking out to the point. Get some deeper water. Going hell for leather. We've walked the beach. Walk to the point. Good exercise. Right. So we're finally catching fish and the big mollyhawk took Dad's over there. See if we can catch another one. There goes the bird with his fish. Oh, that was a good bite. And we set this hook in him. Oh, there he goes again. Having a nibble. Come on, take it. Oh, what happened that time? Oh, he took me bait. He took me top bait. I'll set this camera somewhere. getting bites, Dad? You getting bites? Oh, oh, oh. He's on, he's on, he's on. And it's a fish finger. The bird's gonna take this one on me. Little flathead. Sometimes better off just to jump in the water and spear them. Some nice rock pools here. I'll have a quick look. See if anything's washed in here. These are oysters. So we can literally pull them off the rock and eat them. Don't get the ones that come out of the water. So on a low tide like that, it's touch and go. He'll be good, he'll be good, he'll be good, but you don't want to go too much further up. Let's see if we can find another rock pool. Sometimes they're worth looking in. Pretty sure there's another one around here. All the black stuff on the rocks, they're all mussels. You can eat those. 100% you can eat those. So we got the mussels here, the black ones, and the oysters. We can just pick them off the rocks and eat them. Like a miserable day over here, but when you look to my left you can see it coming over the mountain. Oh, I know. It's hard to tell. And he's on there. There we go, they're getting bigger. Right, now they're getting bigger. Right, 3-1. As that tide comes in, I think I'll be swimming more to get back to the shore. Notice the fish, the ikan, they really like the goat. So alright, back to the big ones. Take up the slack, wait for the bite. Just off the side at the moment. I'm getting a little bit too close to the rocks here, so I'm going to wind him in and get him past there. That one didn't take again. I get grass out of the water. another t-shirt, and a jacket. Hello peoples. So yesterday you'll see us, we've gone out and tried to catch off the shore, and we had to walk the whole point and didn't do too well, just a few fish, and they're not size anyway. So this morning we're gonna take the little tinny, go out a little bit further. It's a beautiful day out there on the water, and stay tuned because you'll see us on the shore and you'll see us off the shore. Hopefully come back with something we can do, catch, clean and cook. So we're at the boat ramp, or could you say the beach, and beautiful day. We're going to launch off the beach and have fun coming back in when the swell picks up. Let's do it. Get out there. Hey, Dad's rowing the boat offshore so we can start the motor. We're definitely deep enough. I just thought I'd make him row for a little bit more. Actually, honestly, he really wanted to just have a go at it. Beautiful day. See the sun rising there, and wish us luck. I don't suppose you can wish us luck after watching the video, but wish us luck for the next trip anyway. We'll see you soon. Show me him, Dad, show me him. Give me a look. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't she a nice size one? Keep him coming. Keep him coming. Hold him up. Hold him up. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up, Manta. Good.
Good. Yeah.
Go look at me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I got you that time. Manta, Manta. Look at that. Hey. Yeah, good one. Oh, I got a whiting. Hey?
Yeah.
Enak. Yeah, it's yummy. Yeah, chuck him in. Yeah. Very yummy. Yeah. I have to get these fish off now, so turn the camera off and we'll see you in the next one. Another whiting. I reckon that's what's going on mine at the moment. I'm getting like little bites. I can't get the camera going quick enough. Hold him up. Hold him up. I'm gonna have to mark this spot, I think. I'm definitely gonna have to mark this spot. Now, I'm getting the camera ready this time because I just keep taking my bait really quickly. The big mollyhawk just here. Oh, I'm getting bites already. Oh. Beautiful day for it. Sun's rising. About now is when I think I've lost all my bait. I already took it all. And all of a sudden, what's he got? What's he got? Hey, another whiting! Oh no, lost your bait. Lost your bait. over there. Wonder if there's tuna running up the centre here. Oh yes! Come on, baby. Come on. Gotcha this time. Come on. Yeah! You're not getting away that time. Hey, look at that. Oh, you foul hooked him. That's not in the mouth. Hey, how did you hook him? He's not in the mouth. Wasn't letting him get away. No chances at all there, mate. Enough, yeah. Hiding. We're riding to the school of hiding. Eh? Oh, holy gosh. Have you got me? Show me. Cutting Ali.
Yeah. Good, yeah.
Bagus. Mantap. One after the other. He just keeps catching one after the other. As soon as he drops dead, he catches a fish. Hey, mantap. You give me a thumbs up. 3, 2, 1. Now I'm recording. Hey, hey, mantap. You're too quick for me with the camera. Oh yeah. Beautiful day, sun is rising now. Maybe an hour into it, which is about an hour, or he's about an hour high. And there's a dirty great big rock here somewhere that we're floating towards, so we've got to watch out for that. So the wind's blowing us towards that, the unging. And we live all the way, I don't know if you can't even see the mountain, but the mountain's up over that hill. We motored from all the way over here, so fair few kilometres or a fair few miles. Good one. Good size whiting. Wow. Another one for the box.
Not good? Yeah.
Flopping around. Give us a look, Dad. Oh, yeah.
Good, yeah.
Good one. Oh. Can you go and help leather?
Good.
Hey? Hey, keep him in the boat. Keep him in the boat. What's this tea towel thing? Hey? Oh, good spot just here. Hey, Dad. Good spot. I'm trying to wind it in with my legs here. Oh, I foul hooked him. He felt like a really big one too. He's tiny. Go back to your mama one. Yep, here comes Mr. Mollyhawk. Then he catches another one. Oh, that was a big bite. I think I lost all my bait now. Oh. Dua. There you go.
Ready.
So we're back home, and we got our catch. So we pretty much all bagged out on what we could. We only got whiting and flathead, and now I'm going to clean a couple, and then we're going to eat a couple. So I'm just going to show you a couple of different ways how to clean them. Dad's been using my knives again, so I'll put an edge back on them. I've got gloves on now, so I can't check if they're sharp or not, but hopefully they are. So grab one of the suckers. Alright. And go in here like this. And straight. It's actually kind of easier with a thinner blade, this one. This type of fish. So this is a flathead. And if we want to fillet out of it, run along the backbone. Don't take the tail off. Flip him over. Right, and this is better off on the edge of your board too. So flip him over, and then get your knife and just run it down here. But we're going to try and pull the skin into the knife. So it's a little bit tricky. So pulling it into the knife, trying to keep it down nice and tight. And slippery fingers. A lot of people do this with a fork as well. And then this rib cage, if we take the rib cage out, and that piece there, we should be able to batter that piece and it'll have no bones in it. So I'll just fill the container up like this. Not actually warm here, as you can see. I've still got my jacket on. It's actually quite cold here at the moment. If you're concerned about it being warm, just put some ice in your water, chuck some ice in your water, and your fillets will be fine. So in hot climates, the dogs are waiting anxiously to get this. They're going to want this fish, all the offcuts that I have. So up along his backbone, just follow that along. Don't cut his tail off, flip him over. Now it gets trickier the bigger they get, I guess, because it wants to arch. So it is hard to get all the skin off at once, but you're pulling the skin and pushing your knife, and if your knife's sharp enough, it should drag through, and then you end up with a carcass. All right, and you should end up, see how close I went to the skin there. So I mean, that's perfect, except for I can still feel those rib bones, and those rib bones, I don't know if you can see this one that comes back to there. Right, they're very hard to get, and now this is one way to do it. Right, so you end up with your nice fillet here. So you end up with a nice fillet. That's just a bit of skin there where I went really close. So that's going to be battered, and we can deep fry that, and it's going to taste beautiful like fish and chips, and it's really nice with like a salt and pepper. And I'll show you another way we can do them. So another way we can do it is, so you don't waste this bit of meat here,
So there's a mouthful of meat in there every time, and that dog is waiting anxiously to eat this. She knows there's going to be leftovers, so you can scale it. Right. Scale it like so. Sorry, Don, if I'm flicking scales on you. Right. Now this way you won't waste any of the meat, and you'll be able to get it all off. I don't know if you can see this, but see in there, there's a lot of meat up in there, and it's just going to fall off the bones, right? So in a restaurant, you're going to get it served to you like this, the flathead, right, like this, flathead fillets. But sometimes down here, what we do, so just from the bum hole there and straight back, you want to go up under those fins and head back towards his head, because there's a lot of meat right up in that head. When you get to the head, off with his head, and that's what you got. All right, nice piece of fish there that you can deep fry, or you can pan fry, which is also better. So that one there, we would just roll it in flour and pan fry it, and they get a lot bigger than this. This is only just size, this one. So just coming in size with his head on, and then you get so many. Sometimes we use them for cray bait. We use all these heads for cray bait, so nothing really goes to waste, because we use this to catch lobster with now, except for these doggies. They want a bit of fish each. The bigger one's more gentle. You can hand feed her. So that's the end product there, and that's the end product there. Pretty simple. And now we're going to do the rest, and we'll see you back in the kitchen. Hello people, so we are in the kitchen now after day 1 and day 2 of fishing, and we finally actually bagged out. So what I mean by that, we caught our limit and we can start the cooking. So I'm very hungry because I haven't eaten all day, and I got a little bit sunburnt. I did put sunscreen on, but, so what we're going to do with these fillets, so just in the flour, pretty much we'll chuck them all in there if you like. Pretty simple. Flour first. Alright, then we're going to pop them in the batter, and then we're going to pop them in the oil, which we've been heating up for quite some time now. Alright, now I'm going to be very careful of that with water. Water doesn't mix with oil, and very hot. It's going to be panas. Sounds like you're saying pain in the ass, doesn't it? We're saying panas, which means very hot. Okay, so when I do this, the best way to do it is like so. Alright, so I'm just going to go like that. In the batter. Drop him in. So all I'm doing is I'm using this as a shield. Just to...
Jadi tidak tercipratan minyak.
So I don't get burnt. I think this one has bones in it. I felt a bone.
Yeah.
Yes. Who did that? That was definitely me.
It doesn't matter.
No.
It get crunchy.
Crunchy.
Using the butter enough.
Maybe just. Oh, careful there, it's really splattery. Have a look at that one. So you can see that one's going golden brown. I'll touch that one over the top. Really, not going to take that long at all. Wow, it's all sticking to my fingers. I'm definitely going to try and get this last bit in there. Voila. Okay. Sticky fingers. Wash all that out. We've got some chips on the deep fry there. We have some paper towel over there, and I only actually usually scoops it. So we can start to get this fish out. Lean down on the paper towel. And before we go too far, what I might do is, let's have a look-see. Okay, you can take the biggest part. Wow. Wow, look at that. Okie dokies. So, the next couple of pieces were a little bit delayed. So you're doing one piece at a time. You can sort of see them go golden brown. Golden brown's what you're after. Just leave them on that paper towel for a couple of minutes. That one there is definitely done. Yeah, let that go for a little bit longer. Let's dish up some chips, they're almost ready, and some onion rings.
The onion's definitely ready.
Oh, definitely ready, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Some nice onion rings. Now, if you're in America, everybody likes onion rings.
One.
Americans love onion rings. You want chips with yours, though?
No.
No?
Gonna eat white.
What about onion rings? It's like a fish and chip surprise, isn't it? Absolutely delicious to go and be able to catch your own fish, cook it, and eat it. What do you reckon of that? Look at that. Hey, peoples? What does that look like? Pretty good?
Yeah.
So all we need now is a knife and fork and some salt and pepper. So let's give it a crack-a-lack. And when I say this is a salt and pepper fish, I definitely mean it. It is absolutely delicious with salt and pepper. I'll do Dad's for him because he's gonna love me for that. He must be very hungry too. And this is a Tasmanian brand, Red Kelly's that we've been using. It's absolutely delicious. They do such a good job. A bit of salad dressing, chef it up a little bit, okay? And let's see what that tastes like. So, hopefully it's not too hot. It is hot. It's so nice. Wow. It's nice to know that you caught it and you eat it. I don't know if you can see here, but it's not overcooked. It's very soft and moist. Very, very soft and moist. It should still be like wetness with your fish. Also, when you're cooking fish shouldn't taste like how it smells. Fish should taste like how it tastes. You should clean it properly and rinse it properly. And there goes the baby. So, well, I don't know who did that, but someone left the bone in there.
I think she's hungry.
That was definitely me. You want to try it, darling? There you go. What do you think? Tell Daddy what you think. You can't see it properly, though. So, that's so delicious. Believe it or not, this fish used to be very, very cheap. And then when they found out what the flavor was, it became very, very expensive, just like that. Within 1 year, very expensive. I'm blowing on this for the baby. The onion rings. Let's try an onion ring. Delicious. What do you think of Daddy's cooking, darling? Is that good? Would you like an onion ring? Try? No?
No.
You want the fish? I definitely think she likes the fish. Oh, you lost it. Oh, you caught it. Yep, I think we've got the sealed approval there. So, thanks again for everyone watching and liking and subscribing, and you've been sharing with your friends so much that we can see all the hits. We will see you on the next one, and I don't know what we're doing next. So if you want us to do something, or you think of something, then let us know, and like we said, see you on the next one.